Hi guys, I am going to paint over an old painting of mine. This is one that I forgot to take a video of it before I put a layer of white over top, but you can kind of see what's going on there. So I am going to hook up my camera and see what happens. I've got my camera set up finally, and I put down sort of a thin, dry brush layer of white. Easy tools all the time, so let's use a scraper. Ooh, see what happens. All right. Wow. Now that is a vibrant color, isn't it? All right. I want to try and do a kind of a minimalistic painting. So we'll see how this goes. Let's put a little bit up here. Okay. All right, it's nice and dry. Oh, almost. Almost dry. So, I don't know. Let's do this. That might be interesting. And then let's do a little dripping. Okay, that's totally weird. Ooh. I'm not crazy about that. Alrighty. Let's push that way. Alright. Let's see. There we go. Oh boy, that is bright. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to fill in all the gaps here. And I'm going to take this off this area. I don't like it. Okay. And blow dryer again. Okay, what we got here is scooped up white. All right, so I keep my white mixed up in a bottle, makes it more convenient. Let's see if we can get it out of here. Ooh, just kind of squirts. Put your tops back on, clean the guck off of the tops of your paint. Nothing more frustrating. I don't know, let's see. What are we gonna do here? That's kind of cool. Okay, can you see this in the crappy seats? All right. Maybe run some back up. I don't know, the finished painting, you might not even see any of this. All right. There we are so far. And we got some great little shapes coming through in here. I think I'm gonna just clean that off. Give it a little rub. And take some of that off. All right. All right. Doesn't do a whole lot for me. What do you think? Maybe I need to mix up some colors. Green here. I don't know, I just put some blobs down. And I guess this is what you'd call intuitive painting. Feels pretty messy to me. Okay. All right. There we go. So, violet. Violet, purple is a complement of yellow. I'm sure y'all were screaming that at me when I was trying to figure it out. So let's do a dropper. Go back this way. There we go. And take a palette knife, run that over. Oh, that's pretty dark. Alrighty. We need some more white. Alright, so I have a bit of the purple on there. Oh, a little bit of green got in there. Alright, let's go over this. See what we got going on. Alrighty. So how about we give it a little spritz. Let it do its thing. Okay. See. All right, I'm going to switch it around and let's just play with this side. And I'm going to just do a little scraping. Let's flip this baby around. I kind of like what's going on with the green area. This area here is kind of got some pink peeking through. So let's scrape off some of this. See what happens. Alrighty. Okay. Alrighty. Let's just give it a little bit of a hairdryer job here. Okay. All right, it's cheating, I know. Let's see, what's this here? Okay. Still got some wet spots. Now, got a bit of white here. I'm gonna just Maybe I'll just do a line. I like this area here where the purple mixed with the yellow kind of created the complement, which is mud. So when you mix two complements together, you get mud. But this is a good kind of mud. I like this mud. All right, we're just going to shed that up there. And what about, I don't know, some little lines with that white that's on there. Okay, oops, bit much. All right, got a bit much there. Okay, complement of lime green is magenta. I know that one right off. All right, I am going to put a little bit more yellow along here. Let's see. Okay, well, that's interesting. That's Indian yellow. It has a hint of orange to it. Okay. Now this one here, I'm going to just take some of this off. Oh, kind of like that. All right. Let's see. Okay. It's always good to take a look at it from different angles. I think I need to dry this area. Okay, I have a big bowl. Okay. All right, let's get... Okay, this is going to be tricky. I am putting the canvas up there, and I was going to use a pipette. Of course, I can't find one. So I guess we'll just have to wing it here. Let it drip. Alrighty. Let it drip, let it drip. Alright, there's another one over there. Let's see what happens. I've got a ton of pink left over. Oh, down on the floor. All right, let's get this baby started. And I'm going to throw some water on there. See what happens. Now it looks like tree. Looks like it lifted the green paint underneath. That's interesting. And I got a pond of water right here. All right. Well, I think I'm going to have to attack this part 2 tomorrow because I am ready to go home. Well, Let's throw down some green. Maybe some white, some green, and colors. Alrighty. Okay. Part 1, stay tuned. If you like what you're seeing and are enjoying my videos, please subscribe and ring the bell, and that way you will be notified when I put up a new video. And I'm shooting for at least one video a week and a couple of shorts, so there will be lots of activity, and hopefully I can teach you something that you will enjoy and put into practice. So good night, and that's all she wrote. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Here's how far we got so far. Can you see it? I'm new at this camera business, so sometimes I don't get it right, but it's kind of cool. I would love to hear what you think. Any suggestions on colors? I kind of like what's happening here, the mix of pinks and greens. So come back for part 2, and I will shoot that tomorrow, and we'll see what happens.